Sally.
Thanks, Mater.
Good evening, you two. Oh, Stanley. I wish you could see this.
Is that what I think it is?
Oh, I don't know, Flo. I haven't had a chance to find out, but I am going to find out. Hello.
Not that. That.
Customers?
Customers, everybody, and a lot of them. You know what to do, just like we rehearsed.
It's the ghost light.
We have found McQueen! We have found McQueen!
Wait, excuse me.
It's a show you've been in rehab.
Did you have another straighten on McQueen?
I'm sorry, what?
McQueen's wearing white wall.
Are you
Stickers! McQueen!
What's making McQueen your prisoner?
Shoot, no, we're best buds. I ain't bragging or nothing, but I'd charge to hunt him down if he tried to escape.
Sally! Sally!
McQueen, are you still racing? Stickers?
Come on, Sally!
Thank the manufacturer, you're alive!
Mac?
You're here! I can't believe it! Oh, you are a sight for soaring headlights! I'm so sorry I lost you, boss. I'll make it up to you.
Mac, I can't believe you're here.
Is that the world's fastest racing machine?
Is that Harv?
Yeah, he's in the back. Get back, you oil-thirsty parasites! And actually, this is my good side here.
Harv! Harv! Harv?
Kid, I'm over here.
How you doing, buddy?
My star client disappears off the face of the earth? How do you think I'm doing?
Harv, I can explain.
I'm doing great! You're everywhere, baby. Radio, TV, the papers. You can't buy this kind of publicity. What do you need me for? That's just a bigger speech, by the way. You signed a contract. Where are you? I can't even find you on my GPS.
I'm in this little town called Radiator Springs. You know Route 66? It's still here!
Yeah, that's great, kid. Playtime is over, pal. While the world's been trying to find you, Dynaco has had no one to woo. Who are they gonna woo?
Chick.
Bingo! In fact, check out what's on the plasma right now.
Show us the thunder!
You want thunder? You want thunder? Gachiga! Gachiga! Gachiga!
Hey, that's my bit!
You gotta get to Cali pronto. Just get out of radiation stinks now, or Dynaco is history. You hear me?
Just give me a second here, Harv.
No. Hey, where are you going? In the trailer, baby.
Sally, I want you to... Look, I wish...
Thank you. Thanks for everything.
It's just a road.
No. It was much more than that.
Hey, kid, we gotta go. Harv's going crazy. He's gonna have me fired if I don't get you in the truck right now.
Mac, just... hold it.
You should go.
I know, but...
Good luck in California. I hope you find what you're looking for.
Sally... Sally...